everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. Things are a little different today. I am in front of an awesome little mini fridge that I'm going to tell you more about, and also we're going to be doing a room refresh with a special announcement at the very end. You're going to want to stay tuned for this. Let's get started. So my friends over at NewAir reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a review on this mini fridge. And I was a big yes, because we were actually in the market for looking for a refrigerator anyways. So my second oldest son, he was wanting to have something in his room to have where he can stock up with his snacks and treats and drinks and stuff like that. And this mini fridge has 90 can capacity to hold. It has a temperature of 34 degrees, so it'll be nice and chilly, and it can go in any room. The stainless steel is so nice. I haven't completely unpacked it yet, but I am going to be taking it upstairs, and you can put it in any room. And I thought, what motivation to get my oldest son to finally clean up his room is to help him with a room refresh and just kind of get things in order. So that way we can head over to Vaughn's and fill this baby up. What do you think? Is this something that you guys have at your house, or some kind of mini fridge? Let me know down below if you love it. This is gonna be our first time, and I just know that NewAir makes high quality refrigeration units. So I am super excited about that. Down below is a link to the website, and you'll get a code as well. So stay tuned, but you guys, this is gonna be so much fun. Let's go. I'm gonna take you upstairs to show you what my son's room looks like. But motivation. So this brand is called the AB850, and some things that I'm looking forward to is the adjustable shelves, and it comes with an LED light. So that'll be super fun, right? Okay, bear yourselves. Or I'm gonna bear myself. Oh goodness. Dun 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 dun. Well, Kobe, look at this pigsty.
No, I thought you were gonna give me a heads up.
I think I gave you a heads up. Hi, Kobe.
What's up?
You ready to do a room refresh?
Sure.
So we got that refrigerator, the little mini fridge that we're gonna bring upstairs, and I'm excited to put it in here. So we need to figure this out. Let's do this. Now, I do realize that my son is a grown-up. He just turned 18 a few months ago, but I feel like I'm going to help him because I'm gonna need some help to bring up the refrigerator too. So that way it just goes by so much faster. He's motivated and we're doing this together. So, besides, it's fun to do some work with somebody else, right? It makes it go by much faster. Okay, so I just brought this in from another room, and I think this is going to be perfect for the refrigerator, don't you think? Kobe just told me that his clothes all over the floor was for, what did you say? More
content.
More content for the video today. So we're nearly done. This room is fairly empty enough that you pick up some clothes and it's practically clean. So he's just putting away some trinkets now, and we're gonna start plugging in the mini fridge. Okay, so we're starting to position it in. So we've just plugged it in. We're gonna let it cool down, but in the meantime, we're gonna hit the nearby store. We're gonna go to Vaughn's and do a tiny mini haul to fill this up. What do you think, Kobe?
Yeah.
Should we do that? And get all of his favorite things. have an idea of what to get? So we're not seeing a big, huge assortment of sodas at our local store. So it's just pretty much Dr. Pepper and Diet Coke. So Diet Coke it is. We're running some good sales on some of these apples, 19 cents a pound. Wow. All right, so we're back from Vaughn's and Kobe picked up some sodas. They didn't really have a huge assortment, I think I was saying that. And some waters. Let me show them what else. He bought some of these like protein drinks. That'll be super good. And then he bought a bunch of these little Greek yogurts. So I brought him up some spoons. And he bought a lot of apples. I think that's it. So just stuff to fill up his refrigerator. Okay, this is looking really good, you guys. So he has some snacks, some treats on the bottom, just some yogurts and apples. That'll be super good. Some protein drinks and of course some, hi you guys, Diet Cokes and waters. And he will probably be putting other things in here as it starts to dwindle down. So how do you feel about having all of this? Do you remember we were looking for some refrigerators anyways for your room? So what do you think of that refrigerator from NewAir?
It's nice.
It is very nice. It's it looks like it would be a really good addition also to people who are entertaining a lot. Like maybe they have like beers and wines and things like that. Like it'd be really nice. But it also is very functional to have some little bit of food in there too. Let's take a look at his room refresh now, shall we? Kind of looking like a bachelor pad in here, don't you think? So I'm so grateful to my friends over at NewAir who sent the mini fridge to do a product review. We love it, and I know you'll love it too. So the big announcement is that code underneath in the description box is gonna get you $20 off. So you guys, click on the link below and you can get your own fridge as well. Now remember, 90 cans, adjustable shelves, LED lights. It is awesome. So I hope that you like it too. And I know that this is a different kind of video for me, but that's okay because that way we get to do some fun things too, something outside of the kitchen. So thanks for sticking around, rollers. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.